In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get the missing App Store back on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, swipe through all your home screen pages to make sure it has not been removed. If you still don't see it, go all the way to the app library, swipe down and search for App Store. If it appears in the results, tap to open it. Likewise, you can also check the Hidden tab. At the very bottom, you're gonna find this Hidden section. You might have locked and hide the App Store, so you'll need to check over here. Next up, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option screen time. Now navigate to the option content and privacy restriction. If restrictions are turned on, open iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure that installing and deleting apps are both set to allow. When these options are set to don't allow, the App Store becomes hidden system-wide. You can either switch them to allow or turn off content and privacy restrictions entirely. After adjusting these settings, the App Store icon will return to your home screen or app library, and you'll be able to access it again without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.